Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to Hyper Plinko, the biggest scam on the Play Store market to date. Guys, I thought that Puppy Town was the worst scam ever, but no. Hyper Plinko is the main reason why I literally decided to dedicate a channel to taking down scam apps, guys. Literally, Hyper Plinko has 3 slot machine elements to it, okay? 3. Look at all the money it says you're going to win at the start. Let me just turn this down, hang on. Anyway, guys, if for all those who have never seen Hyper Plinko before, it is the epitome of an app scam. You get heaps of money at the start, okay? But then you will never get to that $100 mark. And if you ever do by fluke or chance, you will never get your money. Guys, you have to see the reviews for Hyper Plinko. It is hilarious. This is the original scam app that I've ever seen before. Literally, the Hyper Plinko game made me never want to ever trust an app again. Look at it, everyone. It's so convincing as well because you keep seeing that dollar symbol go up and up and up, right? See, apparently we're on $1.42 right now. It's crazy. Eventually, we'll end up having to watch a whole bunch of ads because we're going to run out of the tokens soon. You only get 1 token per 10 minutes, guys. That's that little stupid ball that drops from the ceiling. Like, I mean, seriously. Hyper Plinko did not have 3 slot machines when I made my series on it, okay? So you have to remember that, everyone. They've updated it to make it even more of a scam now, which is hilarious. Now they have a lotto. I don't understand. They have a lotto, everyone. Quick pick, 34, 28. Yeah, okay, now what? I don't get it. 57? Nah. 28? Nope. Nope. No. I don't understand. How do I... Okay, how do I submit it? 22. Submit. $100,000 on a lotto. Dude, Hyper Plinko has got worse, man. Oh, wow. What? They still got the $100 cash out, by the way, which is hilarious to me. Why do they have 2 sections here for $100 for PayPal? It doesn't make sense. One of them doesn't have the $199 left, and one of them does have it. And they still have the $1,000 fruit reward as well? You're joking me. Still have the cash out value of $10 for 15 million tokens. Both Amazon gift card and PayPal money. There you go. It's exactly the same, but it's actually gotten worse. So nothing's changed. Other apps have taken away their scam features, but this one's just the same, everyone. Daily jackpot of $5. Need to watch 18 ads. Are you... What? You need to watch 18 ads to get the jackpot. Are you... Like... Please. Anyone out there that is thinking about trying out Hyper Plinko, never ever play this app. It's an absolute joke, and I cannot stress it enough. It's the biggest fix to ever walk the earth, dude, literally. Like, I'd rather play this fake slot app as well. I'd rather go in this casino here, guys, than do Hyper Plinko. At least I know with the casino it's fake. Hyper Plinko tries to make it so it's real. Absolutely pathetic joke, and I hope the developers get sued somehow. I don't know what we're going to do, dude. Like, these apps... Some of them are starting to change their scam ways, but others not really, no. That's the problem, dude. Like, others are not changing. Like, Hyper Plinko is just enforcing the fact that they're a scam app. The fact that they can still say that you can get 25 fruit and get $1,000, or win $100,000 in a lotto. Do you know how sad this makes me as a human, everyone? Look, they've had the lotto all in November, apparently. Yeah, look. November 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. Every day. Every day they have a chance to give away $100,000. Are these guys off their freaking heads, dude? Are they on absolute, like... I don't want to get into it. I'll get angry. What's that 3, 2, 1 thing counting down? That's new as well. Bro, Hyper Plinko is legit updating to try and be good. They're Look, there's even a skull there now. What is this, everyone? They've actually devoted time and effort into it. Well, I mean, I would hope so after they scammed literally millions of people. I'm sure they have enough money for developers now. Here we go. So I don't normally do this, but I have to tell you guys about this game. Here we go.
It's fun, it's free to play, but you can hard cash. Yes, this game's legit. You can actually win cash. So what are you waiting for? Download this game, and I hope you win.
I won't win anything, you stupid lady. It's a scam, and you're part of the scam as well. Get off my screen, you scrub. Anyway, sorry everyone for that little ad. Just thought I'd keep that in there. I'm so sick of the actors, dude. You can win cold hard cash by playing this scam app. It's freaking fantastic. Honestly, man. No, skip. I hate the actors, by the way. I absolutely hate all the actors in these ads. They're just so annoying. Look, everyone, 8 fruit. Look, I gave so much criticism, by the way, on all my videos for the fruit spawning system. And now they're giving us more fruit than ever. Gotta love Hyper Plinko, bro. Oh, man. Just remember, throughout this video, I'll be putting up real-life players' reviews on why Hyper Plinko is the biggest joke app in the world and needs to be banned. And, God, someone needs to do something about it. I really wish that Google just banned it. I'll give them credit, though. It's much more friendly on the eyes now than what it used to be. It actually looks like a proper app now instead of just an absolute joke of a scam app. But at the end of the day, you can cover up a... I'm going to say it because I'll probably get demonetized. You know, you can cover up a... But it would still always be a... You know what I mean? Put the words in there, guys. What do you think I mean? It comes out of an animal and you do it every day. It's a body function. You can cover up a piece of... But it's always going to be a piece of... Yeah, you know the drill. So, yeah, look, Hyper Plinko, still an absolute scam. Apparently I have to watch 16 more ads now to get the daily jackpot of $5. And I guess it wants me to... What? So if I watch 18 ads, I get $5. Or is it a chance to win? I don't know. It could be a chance, everyone. Today's free chance. See? 28. I don't know. So you get 30... Essentially, you get 30 ad watching capabilities here on Hyper Plinko. So they expect you to watch 30 ads a day, essentially. That is insane. Like, I don't know how... I know how Google allows it because obviously they generate so much ad revenue. But it's just like, where's the integrity, Google? Why are you allowing this absolute joke of an app on the Play Store? It just really annoys me. And I've done a whole movie on Hyper Plinko. I've literally spent like 2 hours on Hyper Plinko, everyone. It's an absolute joke of an app. Like, it's pathetic. Fulfill all the space with tokens and coins. Watch an ad for free. Everything's ad-based. Everything's blocked by an ad. This app is really meant for older generation that don't understand that they don't have to play these apps because they're all scams. Do you know what I mean? You have people that stay at home, mothers or fathers or people that aren't working at the moment, and this app is taking advantage of all of them. That's what makes me sick, dude. And the fact is, especially through the virus, I had so many people message me saying, oh, the virus, I've been playing this and I haven't been getting any money. Well, obviously not, guys. It's a scam. And these people are trying to pick on you. So don't let these apps pick on you, and don't let them take advantage of you. It's an absolute joke. Stay safe out there. Check out my channel for other scam app reveals and exposures, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. See you later, everyone. Thanks for watching.